Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Come for the trading, but stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Xauusd, and welcome to some live session here with me today. So, gold finally came down and hit the 200 SMA. If you paid close attention here for the past few days, weeks, months, I was talking about a retest of the 200 SMA would be a buy signal for me once we saw the lower time frame structure, and that's exactly what I did. I bought down here, and now I'm running up with VIP. So for another entry for you guys here on Twitch, if you have not been in trades yet, there are multiple things that can happen here. First of all, we got a order block here between 84 and 92, right? And then we also have a missing bottom wick here on this candle where we broke out from here. So what could happen here is that we come down and retest here and either touch here, something like this, or simply just something like that. That could be one scenario. Another scenario is that you are absorbing all the sellers now, and creating structure here and grabbing liquidity. You can see you tapped here, right? But you didn't come down into the fair value gap. You're simply just touching it multiple times. And then you are creating a bull flag to the upside, right? Like this. And then at some point, boop, 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 you're gonna go up like this. That's another option. A third option is that we break the high here at 4,459, and then we retest and go up from there. So those are the options that I'm looking at. Maxi, hello. Hey, Captain Arnoldson, hello. Captain, you remember we talked about the 200 SMA yesterday and we didn't hit it? Well, now we hit it. We hit it during the Asia session. Taking cells? No, Bandy, I'm not taking cells. Bro, you are even in VIP. Why would you ask that? Hi, Leon. Evan, how's it going? The man, the myth, the legend. Hello, my friend. Hello, Kirby. Let's go, guys. Let's go! Yo, weed. Let's see. I'm in a silver buy from 73. Awesome, man. Awesome. I'm in gold from down here. I'm not gonna tell you exactly where because we took it with VIP. So that is not for you. But if we come back down and retest, then it wouldn't matter. Boss, I bought from 4,387. Let's go, Donaldson. I hope it's in your opinion. Where are we in the Elliott wave? We have completed the wave. You got your... Yeah. You got your wave 1, wave 2, your parabolic wave 3. There you go. And then you got your wave 4, and then you got your wave 5. So let me just show it to you. I think the upside starts now. We could consolidate a little bit more, of course, but I think the upside potential is starting now. I'll show you. So we got the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And now we are starting the rally to the upside. And that's why you saw this break that violently. And that's why you see all these retail traders trying to sell now and come down here. So yeah, I see that we came down, we came up, we came down parabolic, we retested, and then we got a 5th wave. So now I would like to see something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, you know, continuation 5, right? Or 1, 2, oh, sorry. Me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but that is very, very interesting what's going to happen. It could also be totally parabolic, and then what we're going to see is 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and you know, right? But yeah, I think the rally has started. And VIP is in buys. So yeah, it's looking great. I remember you talking about the 200 SMA will be touched again from last week's live. I even kept an eye on it and bought 2. You're not even in VIP. You are a very, very bright personality, I must say. I was sleeping when it hit 72, sadly. Sorry, Captain. It is what it is. I wanted to buy at 71, but never got there. I remember... oh, sorry, yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Boss, I bought... Oh, yeah, you already said... Yeah, cool. I hope it's in your opinion. Where are we? Yeah, I already said that. Yeah, good. So yeah, if we break here now, we could potentially see a break above here, and then we can buy the retest. Yes, decided to buy there when I woke up and looked at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now I just need a 15-minute bullish closure above here, guys. If we get a 15-minute bullish closure, we could be looking to take some more buys. So that's beautiful. And soon, guys, just wait. At some point, somebody's coming in the chat and say like, but always, what about the Iran war, and what about Trump, and what about inflation and all that stuff? It's all news, bro. Get over it. Get over it. Done. Okay. Next one. All right. So yeah, either buys at the retest of 4,400 or buys at 4,460. Let's see here. Want to show you sorry, I want to show you the numbers from the institutions as well. Now, would you look at that? Would you look at that? So, when we went down here from the 19th of May, look at this, guys. See this? Here. 19th of May. Or maybe you go to the hour instead. It's a little bit easier. Now, here. When we were here, right? The institutions closed 8,000 longs and added 3,000 shorts. And look what price did. Came down, and came down. And now we haven't gotten the newest update for the past 10 days or so. I will bet my hat that between the 22nd of May, the 22nd of May, and the 26th of May, the institutions have added 10,000 plus longs and have closed their shorts. And that's why you're seeing this right now. Look at that, beautiful. So, who were the losers who were selling here? Because they saw a 1 hour bearish candle, huh? And look at that, VIP. We are running more than 800 plus pips. Boom. And there it is. That's the sweep. 4,458. Now, what did I tell you? Once you get a closure above, retest, we can buy this shit, right? And that's my alert right there. Look at that. VIP, I'm in buy. Let's go, Reno. So you were listening. Hey, Obeds, where does VIP watch you from once you get off YouTube? I'm still watching you the freeway. Paul, we were live here like 1 hour ago. You can see in the VIP the new signal we put from the morning. We entered buys here, and we're running. You can check it in VIP. You joined, I think you joined right after the live session ended. You can see the Zoom link that was sent earlier. I go live pre-New York session on VIP, and then I go live on Twitch after the VIP. So yeah. So guys, I'm just simply waiting for a retest. US and Iran reach deal but need Trump's final approved. What did I say, VIP? What did I say? Oh my god. When people were talking about war continues here, like 1 day ago, what did I say? Probably today or tomorrow, you're gonna see them find a deal. And then you're gonna see gold skyrocketing. And what did we happen to have? What just happened? We touched the 200 SMA, 200 EMA. I'm telling you, it all makes sense. Don't care about war, inflation, or all that kind of bullshit. Everything lines up, always. Same thing again, 3 years ago. My God. So tired of like all this like...
I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah.
Thank you so much, McCall, again for the party of 16 people. You always rate me, bro. I think I go live right after. I go live right after you go offline. I think that's it. McCall, we bought down here from 70, 80 level, and with VIP, and we are running here after the release of maybe a deal, potential deal. You know, we came down here, broke the low again, and people were like starting to sell. They got squeezed here, and then boom, we're flying to the upside. Now I'm just waiting for a bullish closure above this previous high, and then we can buy up here. So that's what I'm looking at right now. GPT trading, how's it going, man? How's it going? Dean, Warwick, what's up? Ardosa, yo, 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 bands make her dance. Let's go. Thanks, Xauusd. VIP is the best. You're welcome. You're welcome. Guys, remember, new week, new deal. New week, new deal. I can talk about it later. Probably shouldn't talk about it right now when I just got raided and scared these new people away. But yeah, we tapped 52 here, guys, and look how it's flying. So what I want to see here now is I just want to see this bullish candle closure and then retest, and that's it. So yeah, just waiting a little bit here, waiting for a little bit more confirmation, and then we're good to go. Good to fly. Good fly, yes. Good fly, good fly, yes, yes, good fly. This is current your zone right there. Boom, 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 boom. Right there. Nice. Just waiting for that to happen. But yeah, guys, what sells or buys have you been in? Do you guys do Asia session? Yes, we did. We bought down here doing the Asia session, bro. We hit the 200 SMA doing the Asia session. So yeah. VIP, remember what did I say to you? If you come up here, you got 1,000 plus pips. 1,000 plus pips. Oh, we just sweep this high here, bro. 1,000 pips, man. Damn. Damn. We eating. We eating, bro. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Boom, and there it is. 1,000 plus pips and VIP, guys. TP1. TP1. Woo! We're eating. I'll get back to you in just a second. Twitch. Have to update VIP. Boom! Boom! Let's go. Yes. Done. Now. Let's see here. What else? Why didn't this message go through? Which one? The daily candle looks like it's forming a large wick sweep provided it's close bullish. No, it just touched the 200 SMA, bro, and then, you know, the institutions and the banks are buying. That's it. So now we're flipping on the daily, we're flipping on the 12 hour, we're flipping on the 4 hour, we're 4 day, we're flipping on the weekly, guys. Let me remind you, tomorrow is the last day of the week, tomorrow is the last day of the month. So if you just come above 4,508, then you're flipping on the weekly. That means you didn't break the low. That means you're coming up here and this candle is going to turn bullish. And then you're going to become bullish, and then probably you're going to come up here and create a top wick here at 4,833, right? So simple as that. All right, guys. So we just wait for a bullish closure above here, then a retest, and then we're going to take it. Hard pill to swallow for me, lol. What happened, Paul? What happened? It's not enough to feed my neighbor's family. Good job, guys. So no TP, just let it fly. It's running 1,000 pips now, so you can take some partial. I would take 20% or 40% partial and then let the rest run, yeah. You don't know where it's going to stop, so yeah. Trump will say, yes, we will see a big rally, then no agreement in those 60 days because of nuclear, and we go back to bearish. Maybe no, I don't think so, Captain. We hit the 200 SMA. Last time we hit the 200 SMA, here, bro, let me show you, 3 years ago. You tapped it here. You went a little bit lower. Then when you come up and create the bullish structure, then you never returned. Never, ever returned. And then you were very, very close here. 60 pips away, and then for the first time in 3 years you just tapped it. So no, I think the rally has started, bro. Look at my YouTube video, guys. If you are unaware of what's happening right now, it's very simple. Everybody was selling their shit because of inflation, because of oil and all that stuff, but now price on gold is so cheap, so now it can become a safe haven again. It's very, very simple. So now let me just show you here. So this is my video here. I posted this 1 month ago. Try to align it with exactly what is happening right now. And then you can see that everything is aligned. Always like this. Always like this. Gonna make $1 million more like we did 3 years ago. Very simple. When you see a discount on gold, you buy. That's it. So you did close all your shorts now? Yes, I closed all my shorts, Captain. All my shorts, and I bought. Howdy! Hey, HVP Plo. Nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Nice to see you on live stream. Good job, good job, good job. We also just hit the BE, Captain, for the sell. So I put the BE here at 28. And I said to people on VIP that they should use this as a protection for their buys. So when we bought down here, right, if it comes a little bit lower or a little bit in drawdown, well, they have their sells. And if price comes lower, well, they can let their sells run, right? Simple as that. But now we hit the BE on this sell. So now we're out of the sells and we're in for the buys. And I'm going to hold this to 6,000 or 7,700, Captain. Sadius, hey Obits, how's it going, man? I know you don't look at the 1 minute, but you should look how beautiful the oscillations on 1 minute after the 200 EMA impact. Absolutely beautiful market physics. All right, bro. I saw the daily tap the 200 SMA and the 200 EMA. So yeah, I'm in buys. We're waiting for a bullish closure above this high, guys, and then we are waiting for a retest. Are we buying or selling? We are buying, my friend. I'm no longer selling, guys. No longer selling. I'm a buyer, and the only reason why I've been selling is because I was waiting for price to come down and tap the 200 SMA. I'm sad silver didn't make it further down. Why are you sad about that? You can still make it down to $50, bro, but you need to have a retest at 5,000 first. 4,833 to 5,200 all-time high. Like, if you come up here, maybe you can start to look for sales again, right? But yeah, it's done. It's done. Now you're squeezing all the sellers here. Look at that. Look at this. Look how people tried to get in for sales. They got faked out. People are stuck here now. And then they got squeezed. Probably some people blow their account here trying to sell here. And then squeeze. And probably some people blow their account here trying to sell here again. So yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. So we can buy now, Face. Yeah, we can buy once we have confirmation, bro. I'm already in buys on VIP. I'm just waiting for your confirmation here on Twitch. Simple as that. So where are we buying? Is nobody looking at my lines? Okay. Is nobody really looking at my lines? Oh my god. Okay, guys. This is a high, okay? Right there. This is your previous break when we came down here, okay? Now, price came back up and closed above it, okay? So now, all I'm waiting for is a retest after bullish confirmation, and then we can buy, okay? All right? But since this is your order block and your top wick here, then this zone can go all the way up here. So far we haven't closed above here, and that's why I'm still waiting. Okay, because this could have been your retest and you could just, you know, buy here, but you know, you have to wait, right? Want to see a bullish closure above here, and then we can buy up. So SMA was respected that you mentioned yesterday. Yes, it was, bro. Look at this. Again, let me try again, guys. Look at this. Price came down, touched 200 SMA. Price came down, touched 200 EMA. What do? I buy. I buy. Why? Because it haven't happened for 3 years. Okay? So, price yesterday closed here. Did not close below. Great, so we don't have a lower low. Okay? Today, price came down, wicked it, but didn't close below. So guess what? You don't have a lower low. So what is this? This, ladies and gentlemen, is called a higher low, and is not a bullish, it's not a bearish signal. Simple as that. You hit the 200 EMA, 200 SMA, you sweep out the low from March, not the lowest low, but the low here. You grab a bottom wick, you start creating bullish confirmation on the lower structure, and then you fly. Now institutions are buying. Is that simple? That's simple. So now we're waiting for bullish confirmation above this high. Once we get it, then we can buy. All right. Not a fan of probe positions. I would have gone in the low, but with very low risk, like my account accumulation. What do you mean? We closed here, and they're crossing too. Exactly. We bought here, bro, in VIP, but we cannot buy here at Twitch because I went live on Twitch here, and I'm not gonna buy here because this could easily have been a retest of you know, the fair value gap or the missing bottom wick here, right? But we didn't. We broke that structure again, and now we're here. Yeah, no, I get that. I mean, the current candle closed above here, but didn't close above here, so not interested yet. But yeah, guys, that's it. That's it. Simply waiting here to see if we can close above here and get up. If price comes back down here and we can buy here, beautiful. Then you had the break right here, and then you have a retest. Even better buys. Beautiful. But if we don't, and if we close above here and we retest, then we buy. Okay? Oh yeah. If it closes above, what can be stop loss? Very simple. Stop loss can be just below this wick here. Right? Like this. I'm scrolling around on Telegram. Very nice, man. I like what I see. Yeah. Of course, Paul. I've been trying to prepare for this for many years. So you have the step 1 to 10, right? Then you have the VIP signals. You have the freedom chat with the community as well. You can also make your own signals or do your own analysis and put it into analysis chat. And then people can look at it and see if they like it. But, you know, it has nothing to do with my signals. Orbis, what is the name of the song you play when the countdown starts for the stream? Wait. Let's see. Can I go back? No. Oh, I cannot go back in this stream. Okay. What is that? I know. I made this. Okay, high quality intro with audio. Okay, I'll find it for you, bro. Don't worry. I got you. I got you, man. Yeah. High quality. This one.
Open eye.
Oh yeah.
The sky.
You sure? Wait. Easy. Let me do this. Of course. Xauusd to the rescue, guys. Xauusd to the rescue. I got you, bro. Don't worry, I got you. Okay, ready? Is this one? No, it's not, right? Can't be it. No, cannot be it. That cannot be it. That's not it at all. What the fuck?
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you.
Yes, I got it. Make me move. Make me move. Culture, code, and Kara. There you go. There you go. Welcome. Or I beat you to it, pal. Paid actor. Oh, it's what? So guys, did any of you buy down here? Let me know. Any of you bought down here except for VIP? Simply gonna wait to see here if we gonna break above here or we gonna have a retest. Ordered 83. Oh, nice. Man, it's a good time to be alive. Yeah. Did you take some partial? 1,000 pips, Javid? You take some we took partial here at the 4,470. 1,000 pips. Did buy from 4,380 to 4,420. Okay, we bought 4,370 to 4,380. We can say that now because we are 1,000 pips up, so it doesn't matter. I bought in at 77, got me in BE and fly. Or you put BE very quickly? I didn't put BE before 500 pips, and it was only because my, I tried to tell people to hold longer and to teach them how to, hold trades long term. But people are always like, oh, I see a red candle. Don't you think it's going to be a sell? Blah, 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 Remember, a candle needs a bottom wick and a top wick. So at one point, it looks bearish, right? And then at some point, it's bullish, right? For example, here, this candle, when it was up here, was bullish. But then suddenly it comes down here, right? Then it looks bearish. So people were probably selling here because it looked bearish. But then suddenly it flips and flies and goes all the way up here. So you never know before you have structure, right? This could easily be a fake out, right? This could easily be here. You have a fair value gap here. Then you get a retest and then continuation up here, right? Or it could also just be continuation up here, right? That's the thing. So you can see how my my 200 here is holding up here now. So if it holds this as a support and then resistance now becomes support. So this here was your break to the downside. Now it acts as support. Then what we can do is we can buy like that, right? That's the thing. If you, Xauusd, did take a listen to Xauusd's song Estonia, what do you think? Sorry, bro, I haven't gotten to it yet. I didn't have time yesterday after my stream. I had to go with my wife, and I honestly didn't check my Telegram. So I've just been up trading with the VIP doing the Asia session. I haven't gotten to it yet, bro. I will look at it during the weekend. Because when I go offline from Twitch, I need to do my own thing before I can look at all the things that was mentioned on Twitch. But I have typed it, I have put it down on Telegram. I'll get to it. Would you say this isn't creating another 15-minute bullish flag?
Dat_bald_guy_ just subscribed for 3 months in a row. Morning Brody, how you been? Great gains in VIP.
Hey, how's it going, brother? Thank you so much for the 3 months in a row. Already been here for almost like 25% of the year. Crazy, man. No, wait, that's more. 33% of the year. 33% of the year. Morning Brody, how you been? Great gains in VIP. Yeah, we hit a 1,000 pips here, bro. We hit 500 pips here. And yeah, I hope you are in here as well, that you are awake, that you didn't sleep it out. People were talking about, inflation, and people are talking about, oh no, again, Trump is and Iran is attacking each other, so war will take gold down. But I said to people, I don't care about war. I don't care about inflation. I don't care what anybody says. If you come down and hit the 200 SMA and the 200 EMA, and you already got 40% down on gold, you buy, okay? You get cheap gold, okay? Whether it's like physical or it's leverage, I don't give a fuck. You hit the 200 SMA, the 200 EMA, first time in 3 years, you got bullish confirmation on the lower time frame, you buy. Simple as that. So yeah, I've been talking about this for months. I think the rally is starting now. If not 4,800, then probably we're gonna hit 5,000 or all-time high. So yeah, within the next few days you will see that they come to an agreement, and then everything just lines up again. Same thing 3 years ago, always like that. But people, they wait for that agreement, they wait for that closure, they wait for it to come on the news. But guys, once it comes out in the news, it's done already. Institutions, Orbits, the big players, sharks, banks, they already bought, and you are left behind, and you're trying to buy the rally. chasing the market up. Like, it's too late. So no, like, FA is not everything. You need to have TA, SA, and FA, right? Sentiment, technical, and fundamental, right? But if fundamental doesn't align, but these two aligns, then I'm still gonna buy. It's 2 out of 3, bro. Okay? See, again, this candle here looked bearish. You're like, oh, it hits an order block, and then it comes down. I'm gonna sell, right? No. Again, you don't have confirmation, right? You have a 50-minute bullish fair value gap just below you. This previous resistance now acts as support. And look at that. Look how you are beautifully creating some support from that previous break here, right? So now if you close above here, creates a fair value gap or something like that, and you retest, you can buy and you can put stop loss below here. It's that simple. Are we buying? Yes, we're buying, brother. We are buying. I'm just waiting for price to close above here and then have a retest. Okay? Close above here, retest. All right? If this flips now, comes down into the fair value gap, we're not buying for now. Okay? Simple as that. There's news Iran and US reached a deal but needs Trump's approval. Is this bullish for gold? Of course it's bullish for gold. Of course it's bullish for gold. But the move already happened, Mix. You're sitting and trying to catch a buy now, right? I'm catching this buy with you guys on Twitch, which is beautiful. But you missed this because you are waiting for Trump to get an agreement with Iran. That's not how you trade. You don't sit and wait for Trump to say something or Iran to say something. Guys, it's gambling. The move already happened. I bought with the institutions. Here. I bought with the banks. Here. Right? Look at this. Boom. Here. 8,775 longs were closed. Guess what? Why? Because they hit profit. Right? And shorts were added from here. 3,000 shorts coming down. Boom. Done. This was from 19th of May. The next one you're going to get from the COT data is going to be 27 or 20, the 28 or something like that. And then you're probably going to see they closed their shorts and they added longs. You're too late. You're too late, my guys. My dudes, my friends. It's strange though that Iran said yesterday that this could happen, and if it's not true, but I guess he will take the deal and go to do this work with Cuba. Captain, I don't care. I'm just buying to all-time high. That's it. Show them a signal so they know they need to enter in VIP. Oh yeah, sure. Why not? Reno. Thank you for the free promotion, by the way. There you go, guys. Look at this. Here. Look at this. XAUUSD. Buy now. 4,370. 4,380. Signal coming. Here's the signal. Buy now. 4,370. 4,380. Stop loss. 4,320. TB1. 4,470. 1,000 pips. I said this. This is my 200 ESMA buy. Let's go. Good night. I went live this morning. XAUSD running 500 plus pips. Please move stop loss. Go risk free. And just TB1 just hit. 1,000 plus pips. Done. Simple. Buy from the 200 SMA. Go to bed. Bro, I'm in profit. Let's go, Reno. Are you using a custom indicator to view the LTA contracts? No, El Bandito. You just go here. Just go here. LTA. There. This one. LTA futures contract size calculator. Right there, bro. Take this one. It's free. That's the one you can watch on TradingView. But I got a better one. I got a better one from the websites that I'm using to trade. Okay, guys. We got a bullish closure above. Now, all I want to see is simply a retest here to buy. That's it. Okay. And if I don't get a retest, I will get a fair value gap, and then we can buy. We got a bullish closure above. We're flying. Man, it just keeps going up, lol. Yep, Paul. Yep. We are running. Sure does, my friend. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the like. Potentially we'll get a retest thanks to the orb above. Let's see. Let's see. We tapped here at 80. Still needs a bottom wick here. See. Okay, guys, once we get the retest, we can get ready for the buy stops. Okay. Okay. We get it further enough here. 67. Yep. Okay, guys, I got my retest. That means if we come up here now, I will have buy stop here and stop loss just below here, okay? So buy stop is gonna be 4,474, okay? Stop loss is going to be 4,449. And TV1 is going to be 4,800. Whoa. 4,505, right? But we're going to take a partial after 100 pips, okay? Okay. So, all right, let's see. Not there yet. Okay, set your buy stops, guys. Set your buy stops. We got a retest. Will you give a signal to buy on YouTube? This is the one, bro. We retested here. So now I'm simply waiting for price to come up here and enter a buy stop. Okay. So wait for the buy stop to happen. And then we're gonna buy. What is that program you're trading in? This is not a this is just a platform. Like this is just a free tradingview.com. Oh, you mean the broker? The broker's here. Guys, once we flip this and flip bullish, then I'm in. Okay.
Get shit on, brother.
What website or app are you using? I use MT5 and I use this broker, Star Trader. The poor bastards trying to sell this. Yeah. Good luck for them, man. Good luck for them. Bro, I'm in profit. Yeah, no shit. 1,000 plus pips. Oh, what? You're new. Okay. It's tradingyou.com, bro. It's completely free here. There you go. JK. But if you're completely new, I would highly recommend you to be watching for a few days and learn. I'm live here every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And if you want some trading one-on-one session, or you want me to trade with you in the VIP or something, you can also join the New Week New Deal. Guys, this week we have New Week New Deal. It ends today. Okay. So if you want to join New Week New Deal, it's $53. Of course, this is excluded tax. So tax will be included, but you know, about $60, I think. $60 for 1 month. So $53 without tax for 1 month in the VIP. And if you took this trade this morning and were in the VIP, well, you already got that $53 paid back. And if you bought for $149 as well, you also got that paid back. So, yeah. I think it's a good deal that you can take. It's for 1 month. After 1 month, you can see what I'm all about. And if you like me, or if you like the trading style, or if you like the community, and you want to stick around, you can continue. And then it's going to be $149, right? But if you don't, then you paid $53 and you got out of there. And that's it. So New Week, New Deal, guys, ends today, $53. Reach out to my team if you're interested. Guys, in 8 minutes, we got the hourly candle closure. Since we're so close to the hourly, I would like to wait for the hourly to close before we take this, okay? So wait for the hourly for this one. Wait for the hourly confirmation, okay? Wait for the hourly, because we're so close to the hourly now. Where do I join? Simply reach out to my team. Amazing deal, sir. I'm interested. Yeah, you're welcome. You can join here. I can send you this. Just reach out to my team. Tell them you're interested in New Week, New Deal. And guys, if you find all this frustrating and it's so difficult for you to trade yourself, well, you can also get copy trading. Copy trading is 100% hands-free. And it's me trading for you. And it's free, right? So you put the deposit that you want me to trade. The minimum we have now here is $1,500. And with the bonus, it will become $3,000 if you use 100% bonus. If it's allowed in your country, some countries can do it, and then you know you have to do 2,500. But if you have that kind of deposit, then I can trade for you, trade on behalf of your account, right? And you have to do nothing. You have to do zero effort, no stop loss, no TP, no entry. I do everything. Okay. So yeah. Pretty goddamn bullish candle there, huh? What do you say? So delete it. It's pending, bro. We wait for the hourly closure. 6 minutes, Pierre. 6 minutes. So we are not in. No, we are not in. And you're already in at 4,300, like 70. Why are you even entering this? I don't understand. You're really greedy, huh, Pierre? You got 1,000 pips running on your VIP, and then you want to enter a quick 100 pip trade on Twitch. Yeah. You look for shorts? No, I'm not looking for shorts, bro. I'm not looking for shorts, man. Five more minutes, guys. Wait for the hourly closure. Could I make something out of 20 bucks? I'm completely new. Oh, 20 bucks, bro. I mean, yeah, you could take a very, very high risky trade with like, I guess 5 pips stop loss and 10 pips TP, but I wouldn't recommend it. I would say normally $500 to trade or $1,000. If you're really, really struggle with you know, money, then $100 minimum, right? I'm learning as much as I can. So showing up to all your lives, that's great, Pierre. I'm completely new. Yeah. Guys, hourly will close in 4 minutes. Once we get the hourly closure, I'm looking for the bottom wick. Once we flip, we can enter on the buy stop, okay? We got a retest. We just need the hourly closure confirmation. And then the bottom wick. Okay? So the hourly has to close above here at 66. Why? Because that's where your range ends, right? So if it closes below 66, that means on the hourly, we're coming back into that range. You get it? So the range goes from here, 51, up to 66. Everything below is sells down for a retest, right? So 3 more minutes. Why is it risky with $20 versus $100? Well, if you take a stop loss with 5 pips, if you lose that, you lose 20% of your account. If you do 0.01 on your account. But if you have $100, $100, and you do stop loss 5 pips, you only lose $5, which means you only lose 5%. So it's 5% versus 10%. I think that's a pretty big difference, bro. I think that's a pretty big difference. You see what I mean? Because when $20, if you lose $10, you lost 50% of your account. If you lose $5, you lost 20% of your account. Right? Oh, sorry, not 20%, 25% of your account. Yeah, but you know what I mean. It depends on the mini pips, or I don't know if he's gonna do 0.1. I don't know if you have leverage like 500 to 1. You know what I mean? If he loses, let's say 50 pips, then he's gonna lose 25% of his account on a $20 account. But if he has $100, he's simply gonna lose $5, and that's 5%. On 100, it's still a lot, because he only has $100, right? That's why I recommend people to do $500 at least, like $500 plus. It's better $1,000 plus or even $10,000 plus, right? But $1,000 plus, then you have something, right? $500, you still have something, but if you lose like, you know, $50 on your account, right? You still lost a big chunk. Okay, guys, hourly will close in 1 minute. Closure above 66 will get us ready for the pump. Okay? Yeah, it's sad, but I make $1,200. You make $1,200 a month? Okay, and what is your expenses? If your expenses is only $400, then you can still put $100 per month for your trading. It's about, like, you know, how you look at it, right? And what you're willing to risk. Okay, guys, are you ready? 74. Stop loss below here. And we are targeting 100 pips, of course. That's going to be 84. And then we're targeting TV1 here at 4,505. Okay. Let's see. Okay. We're in the trade. Running here 0.5 pips. Let's see. A really big bullish closure above here. Now I'm targeting this high right here at 90, or this high here, or the TB1, right? But after 100 pips, we go risk-free, of course. And this is only based off, guys, we broke the high and we retested the new support, right? So you broke out of this range here. You are now above. And then you had a retest right there and you got an hourly closure. So now we're in this trade and let's see if we can get 100 pips. Here. Okay. Guys, we're running 10 pips. Okay, back at entry. Let's see. Okay, running 10 pips. Running 20 pips. Running 20 pips. Almost 30 pips here. You can also see my sell zone, guys, is all the way down here at 52. So that means my stop loss is protected below the sell zone. So if we hit the stop loss, that means we're entering the sell zone. So it would make sense anyway, right? 600 rent, 400 electricity, 460 water bill. Oh, yeah, okay, I see. And of course, I gotta read myself. What are pips? Pips are these small boxes you see here. Do you see these black boxes here? From here to here, bro. From 75 to 80. That's 50 pips or 500 mini pips. So let's say we take another box to 80 and then down to 70. That's going to be 100 pips. So from here to here, there's 100 pips. So if you come up here, you get 100 pips. We can go risk-free. Risk-free means that we have a stop loss. Stop loss means that's what you're willing to risk. Right now that it's down here because that's where we protected, right? If we go 100 pips, then I can move stop loss above entry for risk-free trade to be risk-free. And that means you got 100 pips. That means if you have 0.01 lot size, if you enter the market with 0.01 lot size, then you can make $10, right? From that move. If you have a 0.1, you can make $100. If you have one lot, you can make $1,000. That means if somebody entered here with one lot and goes up here, they can make $1,000. So they can make basically your rent or your, you know, what you are spending on your apartment or your home, right? But if some people have less money and do 0.1, they can make $100. And if you have $20, you would not be able to take this trade, but let's say the stop loss were more tight, then you could make $10 from here to here, okay? So from every 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 00, or 70 to 60, or 60 to 50, that's 100 pips, okay? What is the sell limit you have? I don't have any sell limit, bro. All right, we are moving 20 pips here, guys, almost 30 pips. Let's see if we can get a 100 pips here. Come on, guys, let's go. Buy stops activated. Yes, it is. It is. The hourly candle closed. We're in this trade. We're in this trade. TP2 is going to be 4,528. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we can tap 84, guys. 90 could also be like, you know, 100 pips before 4,500. 4,500 is a psychology number. And also we have some resistance here. So, you know, it could be nice to go risk-free after 100 pips. But let's see. Oh, we came up and tapped 80 while I was explaining. So we were running 50 plus pips. Oh no, 60 pips. Sorry, 60 pips. Appreciate it. You're welcome, Kenny. And Kenny, if you want to learn from scratch, you can just book a one-on-one session with me. But I know that's probably not what you need right now because you don't have that kind of funds at the moment. But what you can do is you can come here for free every single day and learn, right? I know what I'm doing on my breaks at work tonight, watching all your videos, X2. I'm so impressed with your skills. What skills, bro? Sitting here and talking about the bottom wicks and top wicks and
why are you running? Why are you running?
And this one?
Why are you running?
It's so big.
Why are you running?
And this one? Or is it this one? This is the skill. Boom! Roasted. No. Guys, we're running 50 plus pips here. Okay, I want you to go risk-free here. Take some partial. 50 plus pips here. We're coming up to some resistance here. 50 plus pips right there. Boom. Go risk-free. Stop loss above entry for risk-free trade. Stop loss at B 4,474.2. Okay. Means if we come back down to 4,474.2 right here, then we're out of the trade. Okay. Gotta stay above here. All right. Let's see if we can hit 100 pips. We're pulling a little bit back here. Do you ever sell or just buy? I've been selling from 5,000 and down to 4,000, bro. It's time to buy now. VIP videos, haha. But here for entertainment too. Let's go. Let's see, guys, if we can stay alive here. Still in it? Still looking. Okay, let's see. Can we stay alive? And boom, we're out. So first trade, 50 plus pips. All right, trade one. 50 plus pips because we're hitting some resistance here from this level here. This, you see this? This is a missing bottom wick here, and this is your previous level where you came down. You found support right here. You see that? Found support, and then you started having a retest, and then you started breaking down, which means in order for us to take the next trade, what we need to do is we need to come up and take out this high, and then we need to come up and take out these highs. So what I could imagine is going to happen now is that we're gonna consolidate a little bit more here. Gonna have a little bit of a steeper wick, maybe coming down to 57 or something like that, or coming down to this top wick here. So this is going to be your next zone here, right? You can go like here, this, and then you can take here from this high to this low here, and then you can see the retracement could be like 62, maybe 57. Okay, so you got that breakout, retest, higher breakout, and then retest, and then continuation up, right? So we need to wait for the next 15. Once we get a bottom wick here, we can take a next buy. Okay. Is this trading view? This is trading view. Yes, yes. What was your lot size, if you don't mind me asking? 0.1. 0.1, bro. I only take a high lot size for the big trades. So when we bought here at VIP, 1,000 pips running, by the way, I bought with one lot because I'm holding this for long term. I'm holding this for long term. So I took one lot here and then I took 0.5 lot here, right? And I'm holding this for long term. But for these small trades, everything from between 0.05 and 0.1. How do you take partial? Sorry if it's a stupid question. I'm kind of new. Simply go to your MT5 and then click on the position where it says close position. And then you can see here, show you. So this is a 0.05 position running here. You see that? So if I wanted to take partial now, I'm taking partial of $500, right? Taking $500 here, right? So if I want to take partial, I simply take that lot and change it to 0.04, for example, and then I would click confirm in the bottom, and then I would take 0.01 lot. That's a partial, okay? If you're on MT5. If you are on Star Trader, our broker, you can also say, you can also take partial there, but that's easier because you can just click partial by close, right? For resistance, you always look at how it reacts at fair value gaps to order blocks. No, I'm simply, Pierre, I'm simply looking at, we took this buy here in VIP, right? We rallied all the way up here, took out this high, and then we retested. And then I saw this 15 here get rejected once, and now I'm seeing it getting rejected once more. So for me, that shows a little bit of resistance, and that makes me, then I need to be careful. I need to be cautious about that, because price could come down, grab some liquidity in this fair value gap, right? So it's just my experience in the market. I decided to go risk-free and take 50 pips because I see that there is some resistance here. And this is also where you broke down from here, right? You came down here, created support here, here, and then you came up and you broke down. So unless you are going to break this high and come higher up, then you could see some retest here, right? Again, breaking out. As we talked about earlier, retest, continuation up, right? So I'm looking for a retest here of 57 down to 39. Something like this. This would be a really good retest or another buy, right? But I'm not going to sell it down because in case price just decides to fly again, you know, then it's just compression. And then it looks like this. And then it's just another bull flag, right? You know what I mean? So it could be the same thing as this one. You see, we hit once, twice, and then bottom wick, and then it flew again. Same thing can happen again. Have a retest, bottom wick, and then fly again, right? I just react to what the market gives me. Here down here, I don't have mercy. I have no mercy whatsoever. I put my stop loss at 20, and I take the buy because we hit the 200 SMA. We hit a hourly bullish closure and a 30-minute bullish closure. I buy, right? That's haven't happened for 3 years. Of course, no mercy there. But for this here, of course, I know that we already rallied a lot, so I need to be cautious. Also, it's manipulation hour, right? And it's 5 p.m. and you know, we've been taking a lot of sells on this stream here for the past few weeks. And it always happened here around 6 p.m., 7 p.m. when I go offline from stream, right? So for me to take more buys, I need to see that we get a retest and break out here. I reinvested the profits from this scalp into VIP. Let's roll. Amazing. Amazing. You just yeah, wait, let me just guys, is it just me or is it hot today? Can I open here a little bit more? Is it too bright now on my face, guys? Is it too bright? Or you still can see my bald head? Is it shiny? Is it a shiny Pokemon, guys? Shiny Pokemon? Or no? Is it okay? Alright. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm waiting for a bullish closure above this high here. And then we can have a buy stop here above this high at 78. Stop loss below this low here. Okay? Take the next one. Four-star shiny, no shadow. Ah, can I wax it? Hot and humid there. Here. It's hot, at least in Berlin. Yep. Drink some water. Hydrate, guys. Remember to be hydrated. Remember to stay hydrated. Hydration is important. Let's see. Guys, for the next entry, we're simply waiting to see if we can get another 15-minute bullish closure and then start moving up here. Okay. And for the next one, we're going to hold for 100 pips. Did we went past here? Yeah, this was the gap that was filled. Yeah. So on futures, guys, we still need to close above here. We haven't closed above here yet. We're yet to see a closure above 4,500. Bullish closure. If you get a bullish closure above 4,500, that's a good signal as well on spot. Take a buy. 26 degrees here, Netherlands. Going to training in an hour. I might not make it back. It's okay. You got your buy from 4,370. What's future? So spot price. We have spot price here on Xauusd, and then we have the futures. Futures is futures contract. It's like mini contracts you're taking. It's also leverage, but it's different. It's like you're taking contracts instead of taking like small lot sizes, small pips. It's a little bit different. A little bit different. It's like you always hear this.
Order filled.
I trade spot. And then I use futures as a confirmation. On futures, we came back and we filled this gap here. And we created support from that gap and went up. And also, look here, guys. For the past many days, we have been in this consolidation here. Fake out, came down into it again. And then now we broke out again. So you're using my trend line, or my bull flag to come down, create support, and now if you can create support here, boom, you can be flying here, right? And then your next level would be 4,560, and then you have your big first test here from 4,649 to 4,588 on futures, right? So that's what I'm looking at, and then I'm aligning it here, where next where next level could be, which is this top here, right? 4,580. I simply want a bullish 15-minute candle closure above here, and then continuation up. Did you buy yet? Yes, we are running 50 plus. We got a buy of 50 plus pips. We went up, took partial 50 pips, and then price came down to BE again. And Xauusd, we also bought in VP. Hello, John. Speaking of heat, there's El Nino phenomenon that many scientists been warning about for this year. This summer could be lava hot. Oh yeah, I remember there was like there was all these news like last year about heat waves, right? Especially in UK and what else? What also in Brazil, right? Or France as well. I remembered something about Paris. I was reading something about Paris. Could be the same thing this year, yeah. Now a purified, yeah, purified hundo. That's good, guys. We're waiting for price to break above here, close bullish, and then continue up, or we're waiting for price to come down into this value gap, tap this 4,450 level, and then retest and come up, right? So currently in this bull flag, waiting. But yeah, retest of 50 would be amazing, because then these can start crossing. See that? Then the 200 SMA and the 200 EMA can start crushing here. But yeah, we don't want price to come down below 53, because that's where my sell zone starts. Let's see what happens. What times do you stream? I stream Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Pre-New York session in VIP, and then New York session stock market opened on Twitch for a few hours, right? Okay, guys, are you ready? Our buy stop is about to come here, about to approach 78, and stop loss is going to be below this wick here. So it's going to be like this. Buy stop is going to be 4,478. Stop loss is going to be 4,400. 9, I think it is. Yeah. And TP1 is going to be 4,400. Let's see, 4,505. Still the same. Yeah, still the same. Nothing has changed. We're just taking 40 pips higher. Okay. Let's see if we can break out. Okay, you ready, guys? First trade, we got 50 plus pips. Let's see if we can get more here. Price came up to 76. No entry yet. Looking great. Came down, closed above, retested 50-minute candle, retested 50-minute candle. You guys ready? Let's go! Alright, 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 alright. Okay, guys. And let's see. Are we gonna get in here?
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, thank you for the follow on Ice live stream. Hope you're doing well. My friend, we are currently waiting for this buy stop here at 4,478. We also entered at 4,474. Took 50 pips, and now we're waiting here for this. Let's see. Okay, we're in. Let's see here, guys. And we are running 10 pips. Let's see if we can take out the 4,490 level. Would be beautiful. Running 20 pips. Here we go, guys. 40 pips. Let's see here. Can we take it out? Or is this a fake out? Running 20 pips. Here we go.
Let's go.
Let's see. Can we tap 84 and fill the gap? There's also a fair value gap right here at 86. Okay. To break above here 2 minutes. Really bullish, strong push here. We need to break above here, so it's not going to be a bull flag. Started to become a bull flag before, but now it's hitting for the third time here. I think it's compression. And we are squeezing more sellers. See? Okay, guys. At entry again. Let's see. Gap is filled here at 87. So that will give you 90 pips. I think I will go risk-free after 70 pips. In case we're going to see a rejection here. Or we're going to see some strong reaction here at 87. Looks like compression. Looks like sellers are trying, but it's difficult for them. Closed above 78, guys. Above our entry. Beautiful. See how they're crossing now? See the sell zone and the EMA and the SMA starting to cross here? Get this. Boom. All right. You guys still here? I can't see anybody typing in the chat. You just tense or what? Are you here, guys? Or no? My chat not working? My chat is not working or what? I'm here. Here. Okay, so that was so weird. That was like couldn't see anything for a long time. Here. Alright. Okay. Let's see guys if we can get 100 pips or 90 pips. Got a missing bottom wick right here. 76. Eating keeps me occupied. Alright, morning. Is price running out of gas in the 50-minute chart? No, it's compressing. It's making you believe it's a sell, and that's why people start selling and then they lose money. Look at the 30, bro. Do you see any kind of slowdown here? I don't see it. We are here, bro. We're just holding our breath. Alright, Kirby. This is exactly what you want to see. You want to see rejection candles like this. Because you want to see sellers try to sell this. And then they're gonna get squeezed. Because that creates liquidity. And the more liquidity we as buyers can get, the more we can push up, right? Just a bit tense, haha. We already so high. You think this is high, Paul? Bro, we haven't even started. We are not even back at 4,500. We barely moved like 2,000 pips. Price can move 3,000 plus pips per day. Like, I'm sorry, but you guys are pussies. This looks very much like compression, right? Very much like compression. Ow. Okay, guys, running 20 pips. What's compression? That's when price is being compressed. So if sellers are trying to sell, price tends to move up to squeeze them, and then it gives them a little bit by going down. So it creates like these liquidity wicks here. You can see here, price moves up, and then it gives them hope by going down. Price moves up, gives them hopes by going down. Price moves up, then gives a little bit of hope by going down, right? So it makes more sellers get in, and then buyers get more liquidity, right? But of course, if this keeps going for a long, long time, of course, then it's going to be dangerous, right? That's why if you take out this high and you start coming up here, of course, we're going to go risk-free, right? But for now, it's just, it looks like a lot of compression, to be honest. And we saw it here as well. We saw it here as well. We saw a 50-minute candle taking liquidity both sides. Then we saw a bottom wick, and then we saw the next bottom wick be taken out, right? Even though you had 1, 2, 3, 4 rejection candles, you still moved up, right? Even though you have 1, 2, 3, 4 rejection candles, you can still move up, right? So, in your logic, Paul, if we go up to 5,000, you're not going to be buying anymore, right? Because we're too high. Isn't that what you're saying? Because, guys, the more the price goes up, the higher we're going to go. And if you miss the entries, if you miss to buy gold cheap, that's on you, man. All right. Moving almost 30 pips here. Let's see. Look at that beautiful 1 hour candle, man. Look at that. Just need to break out here. Just need to break this high. Right there. Once you break it, then people's stop losses are going to be taken. People have stop loss here, 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 here. So I think that's where price is going. I have no logic. I'm retail, remember? No, bro. You are in VIP, so you are superhuman, you know? You are a superhuman being. Okay, guys, we are moving. 40 pips. Let's see first sellers get squeezed here. Let's see how many of you have like had taken a sell here, probably at 80 or 82 or something like that, with stop loss tied above here. Like, of course, so obvious. 84. There we go, guys. All right, 60 plus pips. Why so big?
It's so big!
Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
All right,
Why
guys,
are you running?
take some partial here and go risk-free. Stop loss above entry for risk-free trade. Right there. 60 plus pips. 4,478.2. Right? 25. Okay, there you go. Do you know how retailers always think, guys? It's very, very simple. You know, can I show you something funny? Guys, don't laugh at me, okay? Don't laugh at me. But it's so obvious for me to take a buy. Like, look at this. Let me show you. Wait. Let me show you. It's guys, it's so funny. Go to the you can go online, right? And you can go let's see here. Let's see if I can find it. Wait, 260 plus pips. So that's 110 pips today, guys. 110 pips so far. We need to stay above here, 78.2. Okay, let's see if we're gonna survive here. Remember, there was a missing bottom wick. See, are we gonna survive? Still in it. We had a missing bottom wick here at 76, so price could come down again. Let's see. Let me show you. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at this, dude. I'm not trying to offend anyone, right? But look at this. This retailer sees. Look at the 1 minute. He sees a top wick here, top wick here, top wick here. So this guy put stop loss at 82. It's so obvious. It's so freaking obvious. These retailers are getting fucked because they're trying to sell because there is inflation or because there is a war or because price is bearish, right? Always. Always. Look at this. Entry 78. Look, my entry for buys. He became my liquidity. Look at this. There, right there. Look at that. Sometimes I look at this because I'm like, people always trade on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 3 minute. You don't have anything on those time frames. But yeah. I'm not trying to prove a point or anything like that. It's just, for me, it's just, yeah, it's so obvious that this is compression and you have stop losses above here and all these people are getting squeezed. But of course, I will go risk-free after we come up to 84. Because what did I tell you before? If we fill this fair value gap here, right, at 84, we could see some more resistance. So now if we come down and hit BE here, we got 110 pips. Let's go on the 1 minute. Let's see if we hit it. Did we hit it? Not yet. We came down to 78.4. Okay. And see, now price is flying again. Right? So retailers, they have their stop losses here, 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 here. And they're gonna keep selling. They're gonna keep selling, guys. No bottom wick. I know there's no bottom wick. We can enter for another buy once we break this high. If we break 90 or we break 500 and we come down, we wait that missing bottom wick later, we can take another buy. So guys, you made some money today? On GC, prices already moved past prior hourly wick. There we go. BE here. There it is, guys. So 110 plus pips. So for next trade, we're gonna wait to see here if this compression is gonna finish, right? So now you have this triangle formation. You know, we have done this many times before. The price will squeeze here, squeeze here, and then we will see if price can break above. Well, guess what? You have your next potential right here, where you can put stop loss just below here, for example, right? 84. You can just keep taking it up. I made money, yeah, even if I miss 1,000 pips. Let's gold. That's how it is. So now we wait for a bottom wick and we wait for this triangle formation to be broken. But yeah, guys, if you're learning and you're making some money, then you can join the New Week New Deal. Okay. Right now we have $53 for the VIP for 1 month. Normally it's $149. So you can try it for 1 month for $53. This is excluded tax, so I think the total is going to be $60 or something like that. And then you can try it 1 month, see if you like it, see if you like my trading style, the way I look at the market, the way I support and help the community and grow their accounts. How we caught the 200 SMA here, 1,000 pips flying so far. How I don't really care about, you know, news and inflation and, you know, oil prices and Trump and Iran and all that, because price action is going to be price action at the end of the day, right? Like you can learn all that and more. If you're interested if you're not interested in VIP, but you simply want me to trade for you, we also have copy trading. We do have $1,500 copy trading where you can do 100% bonus and then you get $3,000. Or you can do 50% bonus, or you can do 20% bonus depending on your country, and then you can get that on top of your 1,500. But if you really are serious about your copy trading, you can do $2,500. And if you don't want me to trade, you know, on your account and, you know, copy all those trades, and it's simply me trading for you. So basically I do manual trading on your account, but it's going to be from my account and every trade will be copied towards your account. So if you find all this very, very confusing and too much back and forward dimensional manipulation and Trump and all that, I can trade for you. But since the market is very manipulative and there's a lot of back and forward and everything like that, we have moved it to $2,500 to make sure that people are safe. 100% bonus could be then $5,000 or more, right? 50%, 20%, it depends on your country. Some countries has less, some countries has more. That's 100% free. So if you don't want VIP and you just want some free stuff, you know, you can put deposit and then I can trade for you on your behalf. But yeah, other than that, we have New Week New Deal. It ends tonight. So that's $53. And then we also have boot camp. So you can reach out to my team, let them know if you're interested. So right now, guys, I'm simply waiting for a missing bottom wick here. And then I'm waiting for price to break out from this level here. Right there. Is the $2,500 requirement without bonus or with bonus? That is, if you put $1,500 and your country allows you to get, you know, 100% bonus, you get $3,000. Then it's totally fine, Captain. Even if you put like 1,700 and you get above 2,500, it's totally fine. But I will just say minimum 2,500, right? With bonus or without bonus. Like less, if you do 1,500, then make sure that the bonus will get you up to 2,500, just so you have enough. So that I can, you know, do some big moves and so that I have liquidity and that I have, you know, enough room, enough space to go back and forward, right? You still think it's going to drop to 3,800? No, Oscar. No, not anymore. We bought this morning. You can see it. We tapped the 200 SMA. This is exactly what I was talking about. When price was back at 3,400, the 200 SMA was down there. But since we came down here, it has been sloping up. So we bought here this morning, bro. You can see here. I'll show you. This is VIP. Right here, bro. Here. Buy now. 4,370 to 4,380. 4,470, 1,000 pips. Where did price tap? 4,479. So 1,000 pips running. And we tapped it. This is VIP, bro. Right there. Xauusd just hit TP1. Please do not move stop loss anymore. Remember to take partial, close some trades, and let the rest run. Bro, I didn't change. The 200 EMA is sloping up. Remember, when price were down here, the 200 SMA was down here. Right? That's why I was waiting for this. But since then, when we went up here again, like this, price has been moving up, and we didn't tap it here. So I was waiting for price to come down and tap it. And it happened last night, Oscar. Last night, it happened. Right there. 4,374 and 4,394. We bought here in VIP. And also we bought twice today on Twitch. No losses today. So yeah. You can see total 110 pips today. And now we are just waiting, Oscar, for this to break out here. Or we are waiting for this to break out here. Do you take all week on VIP or 3 days? VIP is going to be live stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But I do signals Monday to Friday. Made 3K yesterday from VIP. Brody, there it is. You paid $53, but you made 3K. How are you counting the pips if both trades hit stop loss at BE? Huh? 4K today so far. Nice. So what's going on? We do 5 days of trading, right? But we are live 3 days, Tuesday to Thursday. But we do signals Monday to Friday. Okay. And tonight it ends with the New Week, New Deal. New Week, New Deal is simply a promotion we do. So that instead of people paying $4.49, they can pay $53 and join for 1 month, right? So New Week, New Deal, $53. So that's it. And other than that, I have copy trading and then I have bootcamp, right? $53 per month? No, $53 is a one-time payment, bro. $53 is a one-time payment. It's for 1 month. 1 month, $53. Then you can try it out. See if you like the streaming. See if you like the signals. See if you like the community and the support and everything like that. And you can reach out to me and stuff. And then after 1 month, if you don't want to stay anymore, that's it. $53. And yeah, that's it. If you want to continue, then you can do $149, right? Per month. This is a New Week, New Deal thing. I do this promotion once in a while. Sometimes it's $50, sometimes it's $20, sometimes it's $80. But we haven't done New Week, New Deal for 2 weeks. So it's back again. And then $149. But you don't have to stay more than 1 month. If you want to keep, if you want to get out after 1 month, that's up to you. But yeah, guys. 2 trades, 110 pips, 50 pips, 60 pips. And yeah, looking good. And you can see here, the sellers are getting absolutely destroyed. Look here, there. All their stop losses being taken. Look at that. Beautiful. If I want to continue 149, $149. Just message to join VIP. Yes, exactly. Reach out to the team right there. Per month. Yes, per month, my friend. Per month. But Rody, how much did you just make on this trade? Rody, can you tell Yason how much you just made on this trade in VIP? Or 6 months. Yeah, of course. You can also do 6 months. $599. 6 months. Then you get more than 60% off, I think. 149 times 6. More than 1,000. No, almost $1,000, right? So yeah, you get 50%, I think. No, you get more because this is... no, if the 149 is excluding tax, this is including tax. This is included with tax, guys. You get 60% off. This is excluded tax. Crazy. Wow. Just this one, I'm up 4.7k. There you go. He paid $5.99 for 6 months and he made 4k. One trade. So yeah, guys, I'm not selling anymore. I'm just buying. I will update the YouTube video this weekend, I think. Make a new YouTube video and go through what I said in the past video and then tell people that I'm in the buy now. And then if price hits 5,000 in the next few weeks, months, then I have it. I have it on paper, guys. I have it documented that everything that we were meant to do happened. And I'm telling you guys, the retail traders, they're not gonna get in buys for before next week. Next week we're gonna probably be here above 4,600 or 4,700, and then people are gonna be like, oh, they made an agreement. Great, I'm gonna buy. And then they're gonna buy here, and then we're gonna get a retest, and then they're gonna lose on their on their buys as well on the retest where we're gonna buy here instead. Oh yeah, it's great. I love it. Trading is fun. Do you also teach how to trade? Yes, I do. Yo, Leon. Made some money? You guys good? The guys, next trade is gonna be a break above here or break below here. I'm gonna take a glass of water and we see. I wish I was in the gold I was in the copper trading when we hit the 2-hour EMA. Bro, look at this. That's for copy trading. Just 0.02, 0.05. That's it. All the way when you are around. Please share info how to learn. Yes, of course. In the VIP, you're gonna get live sessions where you can learn from me on the live sessions. We take signals together. You can ask whatever you want. The VIP sessions is for you to ask whatever you want to learn, okay? When I'm live. Then we have signals, and then the community is there as well. And you have this step 1 to 10. Step 1 to 10 on how to trade. Right? But if you want the free stuff just here on Twitch, you just have to listen and learn and ask questions in the chat. I'm here for you guys. Bearish.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
FBI, open up!
No, God!
All right. Oh, bullish breakout, bullish breakout. There you go, Storm. You got it. You got it. Beautiful, beautiful. So I thought it will go to sell. How did you know it will go to buy? Ah. No, I'm joking, bro. I'm joking. Because, bro, We didn't close bearish. We didn't close bearish. Okay. Look at this. Let me show you. Okay. Here we go. Let me just switch the battery. 1 second.
Get shit on, brother.
Oh, there we go. Okay. So, the reason why it didn't go bearish is because in order for you to become bearish, you need a bearish daily closure. Either below here at 4,318 or here below 4,376. You didn't get it here. 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 And you didn't get it here. And now currently you're not getting it here as well. All right. So when price came down and tapped the 200 SMA and the 200 EMA, and you got a double bottom right there, that's when price started rallying up. And that happened to happen right at the 200 SMA and 200 EMA. Okay, so no, you're not going down. Wait. Remember, guys, for major confirmations, you never look just at the wick, okay? For major confirmation, we need candle closure. Candle closure. Unless you get a bearish candle closure below here, 4,288, then we're still bullish. And what can you do? You can zoom out. Take this consolidation we had here. Boom. Then you take your bottom wick and you align it here. And then you take that bottom wick here and you align it here. And what do you see? What do you see, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Right? This is an uptrend. Uptrend. You don't have a lower low. Okay? This is called a bull flag. Bull flag. You don't have a lower low. And this is called a triangle formation. Triangle formation. You don't have a lower low. So once you get this breakout, you're going to go to all-time high. That's simple. Every time we've been going down, it has only been because oil went crazy. So what are people doing? They're taking their money out from gold, from their investments, from everything that they have been saving up for years into this rally here. They take it out so that they can survive the oil rally. When that happened, people were selling. We got a bear flag. We came up, we broke down. Then you had a second bear flag here. We came up, we broke down. But then guess what? Third time you didn't have a bear flag. You had a higher low, and then you broke that high. You retested that low. You squeezed out all the buyers, and now you're pushing up. So if you break out here, you take out this top wick here, that could also be a very, very good buy for 4,600, for example, right? So, yeah, I'm not selling because I don't see any bearish momentum. I see a bull flag. I see a bull trend. I see we came down. We created a double bottom. And this is where you broke out, right? Resistance acts as support. Boom. Come down, up above it. Resistance, support. Support, 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 support. If you break this, you become bearish. But we didn't break it. And as long as you don't have a daily candle closure below this, you're not bearish. And guess what? We're flying, baby. All right. And that's why I took the buy in VIP. And that's why we got a 1,000 pips here. So why in Asia it worked for sales? Because you were not at the buy zone yet. You just came down to 4,404, but you didn't tap the EMA and the SMA. EMA and SMA is here, below 4,400. So you wanted to come down. You wanted to make fake out here, right? you wanted to come up here and tell people to buy, and then all these people, they blow their account here, right? Unless they had stop loss. So we sold here at 39 and we sold here at 66 in VIP. You can also ask the VIP about that. We did that, and then we came down here, we bought, and then we came up 1,000 pips. And now you have created that support, and then you created that support, and now currently you broke the high, and you are currently creating support from that high. So resistance acts as support. Guess what? Retest, continuation higher. Is that 200 SMA that is touched below? Yes, 200 SMA and 200 EMA got touched last night during the Asia session. Okay? So once you get a retest here, you get a missing bottom wick here, and you fake out some sellers, maybe you come down into this family gap. You could buy again, right? I'm not the best, Yaron. I try to do my best, but I just been trading for 15 years. It's just experience, bro. It's just experience. I have never seen gold touch the 200 EMA or touch the SMA and then continue down. Never. Never. I've been trading for 15 years. I've never seen it. Never ever seen it, guys. Sure, you can get a daily bearish closure just below it or just at it. But as long as you don't close respectfully below it, and then the next day you're going to use that as a resistance to continue down, never seen it. Once you tap these 200 SMA, 200 EMA, the low is in, and the rally starts. Okay. So yeah. I sent a message to your Telegram to join VIP, no response yet. I will let them know, bro. I will let them know. I'm still live here, so maybe that's why they're not expecting it. We are a two-man show, so I don't have a big team. I'm just trying to keep things simple. I think this is a bullish breakout. Correct, my friend? It is. And now you just need to retest. Retest, continuation. Buys, right? Are you trading only in New York session? How can I know when to trade? I'm live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on Twitch. I'm live on VIP Monday to Friday. Sorry, Tuesday to Thursday, but I have signals Monday to Friday. I mostly take trades and trade doing New York session and Asia session. I don't really touch London. I'm not really a huge fan of London. Do you think it's a bullish breaker? Yes, it's a bullish breaker, bro. It's a bullish breaker. But yeah, guys, that's it for me for this week. Next week, we will have, hopefully, the next rally from 4,600, 4,700. But yeah, let's see how the Trump era, how the Iran era is going to play out here during the weekend. Maybe they come out and say war again, and then you see another retest. But so far, it's looking good. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Guys, remember to reach out to my team. If you're interested in copy trading or account management, reach out to me. Either you can reach out to me directly, you can reach out to my team. Here, I'll show you here. This is gonna be here. If you're interested in account management, that means I'm trading directly for you, then you don't need to have my broker. If you want copy trading, then you need my broker, okay? So here, that's it. That's my link. If you want account management, everything else, VIP, bootcamp, new week, new deal, you reach out to my team. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you in the next week. Amazing. Let's go. Bye-bye, guys.
seen anybody do the things you do before. Oh, they